Hey, cat butlers! Tired of scooping your royal felines' litter? Let's kick that chore to the curb. Today, I'm bringing you the wildest, smartest litter boxes. These robotic wonders zap odors, track kitty health, and keep their thrones spotless while you do absolutely nothing. Ready to ditch the daily scoop and level up your cat's bathroom game? Let's dive into the top 7 best automatic robot litter boxes. For now, your cat will love you for this. First up, we've got the Ziao open-top self-cleaning litter box. And wow, this one is a crowd pleaser. If you've ever worried that your cat might hate an enclosed box, this open-top design is the ticket. There's plenty of space for your cats to do their business comfortably, with a weight range all the way up to 27 pounds, so even chunky flooves will feel right at home. What I really love about Ziao is the safety. This thing is built with sensors that literally pause the cleaning cycle whenever your cat hops in or out. No surprises, no accidents, and no scared kitties. You can also connect this box to a smart app so you'll always know if the trash bin is getting full or if your cat's being suspiciously active. Trust me, that is way more useful than it sounds, and users rave about it. Han, for example, said it was so quiet, so clean, and so easy to use, even their picky cat loves hanging out in there. Another reviewer, Eric Ye, mentioned how perfect it was for multi-cat homes. His 3 cats took to it right away. That's a pretty solid endorsement. Maintenance? Piece of cake. Snap-on design, easy liner, and filters. You'll be back to binge-watching Netflix in no time. If you want a solid, open-style, self-cleaning litter box with all the smart features you actually need, Ziao is a seriously good option, and your nose and your cat will thank you. All right, rolling into number 2, the Petkit Purroobot Ultra. This one is next level. Think facial recognition for your cat. Yes, you heard me right. It uses a built-in camera to track which cat is going potty and even captures their poop photos. Sounds weird, but it's genius because this helps you catch early health problems before they become a big expensive vet bill. Every cat is tracked with its own little bathroom report card. You can monitor how many times your cat's visiting, how long they're in there, the size of clumps, all through the app. That's a whole new level of pet care that your standard box will never match. But wait, there's more. The Purroobot Ultra literally seals the waste bag and reloads a new one, so you never even have to touch that nasty business. The bin itself is huge, up to 20 days of waste storage for one cat. And if you have multiple cats, it still handles things like a champ. Plus, this box is super safe. It's got 20 sensors, so it knows exactly where your cat is and what it's doing. The cleaning stops if your cat comes near, so no worries about tails or paws getting stuck. And let's talk odor. Sealed bin, odor blocking inserts, deodorizing filters. You can practically forget what a dirty litter box even smells like. Oh, and you can peek in live with the app's camera if you really want to, or if you're just checking on them while you're out of town. So for high-tech cat parents, the Petkit Purroobot Ultra is pretty much the ultimate. Number 3 on our list is another Petkit innovation, the Purroobot Max Pro. If the Ultra is impressive, this one might just blow your mind. They gave this box a 210-degree wide-angle AI camera with night vision, so you can check on your cat even in the middle of the night. It takes photos of their waste, tracks clump sizes, and even logs any changes in their patterns. That means early alerts for digestive issues or hydration problems before they turn into a bigger headache. The Purroobot Max Pro is also designed with a semi-automatic bag sealing system. That means you pull, the bag seals, no poop sight, no poop smell, no poop touching. Clean and done. There's also a massive 8-liter waste bin that can go up to 17 days for a single cat, and the entire cylinder is built to be leak-proof, anti-scratch, and easy to wipe down. Safety off the charts, high-precision sensors, anti-pinch structures, and an entrance that stays open so nothing can get trapped. That's a huge plus if you've got a curious kitten. And, not to be dramatic, but the triple odor removal system in here is a lifesaver. N60 deodorizer, a sealed waste bin, and a built-in freshener. Together, they keep your entire home smelling like, well, not a litter box. If you're the type who wants all the features, the Purroobot Max Pro is a beast. Alright, coming in at number 4 is the LalaHome Real Scooper Pro, which is pretty wild, because this is the first litter box I've seen that automatically refills its own litter. You heard me, it actually tops itself up, so you don't even have to scoop or refill for 2 weeks at a time. This is perfect for folks who travel or who just hate dealing with litter altogether. It holds 13 pounds of fresh litter, and the waste bin can store 8 liters, giving you up to 15 days of hands-free peace. Now, the safety side is solid too. No rolling drums, so there's no risk of your cat getting pinched. It uses a rake system instead, which is safer and smoother. Dual infrared sensors, weight sensors, and a smart pause if a cat jumps in mid-cycle, all built in. One little downside I have to mention, some reviewers pointed out that it's harder to fully deep clean because the top doesn't detach. But for most people, the once-a-month wipe down is worth it for all the features you get. Oh, and of course, there's an app. You'll get updates about your cat's weight, usage patterns, and even low litter warnings right on your phone. If you want a true set-it-and-forget-it litter box, the LalaHome is pretty hard to beat. Number 5. Petkit Puramax 2 Upgraded Automatic Cat Litter Box. Let me just say it, Petkit really knows how to keep cat parents sane. This is their Puramax 2, a seriously impressive upgrade on their earlier models. First off, the space, 76 liters of roomy interior, means your bigger Maine Coons or multi-cat families won't be fighting for elbow room. Even senior cats or chunky boys can hop in thanks to the nice low entrance. But what really grabbed my attention is the X Secure system. There are sensors everywhere. Weight sensors, proximity sensors, hall sensors, all working together to make sure this thing never tries to spin while your cat is doing their business. That is peace of mind you can't put a price on. Now let's talk smell. The Puramax 2 has a triple defense odor system, a fully sealed waste bin, a deodorizing smart spray, and an upgraded N52.0 odor eliminator. This basically means you can forget about coming home to that oh-so-familiar cat box stench. I also love that the app gives you notifications about everything, full trash alerts, which cat visited, even how heavy they are. And let's be honest, sometimes it's good to keep an eye on that chunky cat's weight, right? If you're someone with multiple cats and you're tired of that daily scoop routine, the Puramax 2 is definitely worth a closer look. With up to 15 days of scoop-free living, you might just forget what a litter scoop even looks like. Number 6. CatLink Luxury Pro X Self-Cleaning Cat Litter Box. Oh, the Luxury Pro X. This one is basically a cat's personal luxury restroom. I mean, the name alone sets the vibe, right? This one brings serious tech to the party. It has 4 cleaning modes, an automatic scooping system, plus it connects to its own app to monitor your cat's health, litter box use, even their weight. The app will serve up a 7-day or even 12-month health report if you want to nerd out on your cat's stats. And let's talk about safety. There's a radar sensor, an infrared sensor, and even a pinch avoidance system. So if your cat decides to get curious while the cleaning cycle is happening, it will stop in an instant. Another cool feature is the built-in carbon filter that cuts 90% of litter box odors. And the UV sterilization light? Genius. It zaps away bacteria after every cleaning cycle, so your cat's toilet stays squeaky clean without extra effort from you. The app is actually really user-friendly too. You can check when your cat last visited, how much they weigh, how humid or warm it is inside. Seriously, it's a mini cat health center right on your phone. If you want to treat your cat like royalty, the Luxury Pro X is about as close to a throne as it gets. Okay, last but not least, let's talk about the PetSafe Scoop-Free Open Sky. A simple name, but a seriously powerful smart litter box. This is for all of you who love a wide, open-top design. Some cats hate enclosed boxes, and I get it. Who wants to feel trapped? The Open Sky gives them that open, airy space while still managing to lock away smells in a sealed 8.5-liter waste bin. This one really focuses on reducing your workload. It holds up to 2 weeks of waste for one cat, which is great if you travel or you're just tired of constant scooping. And the automatic cleaning kicks in only after your cat safely exits, thanks to smart sensors that detect movement. No scary surprises while they're inside. Overall, the scoop-free Open Sky is easy, affordable, and perfect for folks who want a set-and-forget litter solution. If you have multiple cats, it resets fresh litter after each use, so everyone gets a clean bathroom every time. No more fighting over who left the stinky surprise behind. If you've been dreaming of never scooping again, this might just be your ticket. All right. Cat parents, that wraps up our countdown of the top 7 best AI robot litter boxes. We covered everything from ultra-luxury boxes that basically do cat health checkups to simpler, more budget-friendly options that still let you say goodbye to scooping. No matter which one you choose, you're giving yourself more time, less stress, and most importantly, a cleaner, healthier bathroom experience for your cats. So, which one is calling your name? Let me know in the comments. And if you've used any of these litter boxes, share your experience down below so other cat parents can make a confident choice. If you found this review helpful, smash that like button, subscribe Technology X AI for more honest smart pet product reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for hanging out with me. And give your cats some extra treats from me. Until next time, stay happy, stay scoop free, and I'll catch you in the next video.